Where to find T5 slip on RBC mobile app. Now this is going to be very straightforward. As long as you follow through, you will be able to find it. Now open your RBC mobile app and log in to your credentials. Once you logged in, you just simply have to press or tap on the Documents tab or the tax related documents. In there, just search for T5 slips and then access your email address associated with your RBC mobile banking account. And once you've accessed it, you should be able to see the required year, which will be downloaded via the email address connected to your RBC mobile banking account. If the specific T5 slip is not included on the pack, then what you want to do is just to contact the live customer support on RBC mobile banking. Just let them know that there are missing packs on the documents so that you will be provided with resolution. So that is how you find the T5 slip on RBC mobile app.